YouTube. It's been a long time and I'm tired of saying that, so I'm gonna stop saying that to y'all because it's 2020 and we need to be consistent. So we are here right now on Travel with Tai and we're about to play with makeup. This is gonna be interesting. It's your girl Tai with Travel with Tai and I am back with another freaking YouTube video. No, we're not even gonna talk about it. I know I have been MIA. Okay, and I'm gonna make a whole separate video kind of talking about why. But right now we're just gonna have a chit chat. We're in the bathroom. We're about to play with makeup. And we're just gonna have a little chit chat because I miss y'all, and who doesn't want to see somebody that doesn't know what they're doing with makeup play with makeup? I mean, I want to see that. That's quality content to me. Without further ado, like, comment, and share if you haven't already. And we're just gonna get right into this video. All right. So here's my handy dandy makeup bag. Don't look at my car keys. And then we bought some items from Sephora. I am late to the party, but hello, Fenty Beauty. We got some concealer and we got a little tester of this powder because I haven't tried it before. So we got the Laura Mercier, but you know everybody freaking loves it, so I'm sure I will have no problems. Oh my god, hi, I am a beauty guru. Yeah, I'm not really sure I'm gonna set this camera up. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go, period, okay? I really don't know what I'm doing, so this is really gonna be interesting. So yeah, let me get my life together and I have to pee. And I guess I'm doing an unboxing right now. Not really sure what I'm doing because what is this? Honestly, I don't know. And I also don't have my tripod. So I'm just sitting y'all in random places, and right now that is the counter because I don't have anything to like Tana Mojo rig a tripod right now. It's gonna make it do what it do. Oh my god, why can't I get this open? Oh, anyway, let me be a beauty guru. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte foundation. I have the shade 390. 390 is my shade right now. Hopefully that doesn't change because foundation is expensive and I don't wear makeup enough to care. It says right here to shake well before using. Yes, ma'am. Y'all already know what it looks like. God, this is it's so pretty though. Like I just love the way it looks. It's just so classy. Can y'all see that? Shaking well. Oh, there's already stuff coming out of it. Oh god. Y'all don't judge me. This is dysfunctional. I just kind of wanted to like, you know, chit chat. Not really sure what about. Not really sure why I'm making this video. Not really sure what's even going on right now. Also not sure why I put this much foundation on my hand. But we're living our greatest lives. We're doing the best that we can right now. Oh my god, how do you even like... Okay. I'm stressed already. This is really stressful. Oh my god. What do you makeup gurus do? Like, how do y'all manage to make yourselves look just effortlessly freaking beautiful? Meanwhile, I am struggling and literally beating my face with this. Oh, but it is my color. Wow, this is really pretty actually. So how's life? How's everybody's quarantine? Is everybody staying home? I hope so. World is currently in shambles. Kind of going a bit crazy. Honestly, me and my friends have been making the joke that I really just want some aliens to come down and take me off to Mars or Neptune or something. And as funny as it is, like, I'm kind of serious because the world is going crazy and it's actually scary. So that's tea. I don't know, how do y'all feel about this? You know what, don't even tell me because Lord knows You ask the internet a question, they'll give you an answer. And I just don't know if I want to hear some of these people's answers because all lives don't matter until Black Lives Matter, but we're not gonna talk about it a little bit. I feel like y'all are so not in a good place. Not in a good place. Y'all are definitely in a good place, okay? Y'all are in a good place. I am in a place in life right now where honestly self-growth is like really important to me right now, just because I have very genuinely been in a very shitty place mentally, and the cause of that honestly is nothing but mine, just because of the things that I've allowed to really overtake my mental. So I really feel like I'm hitting an entire reset button right now and just completely revamping and reinventing myself and really just like discovering myself again. And I really do want to make a separate video about it because mental health is very much real, okay? And it's very important to keep up with. I posted on my story earlier this morning, just kind of to my close friends, talking about just how scary it is to lose yourself in comparison to the type of fear you feel in taking risks. Something along the lines of, it's way scarier to lose yourself than to face the fear of taking the steps needed to better yourself. I was so fearful of what people thought, or how somebody would react, or, you know, what does this person think? And that's never been me ever in life. And I've spent way too long really putting all my attention and energy and focus into what other people want and what other people think and how other people feel. I literally lost who I was as a person. And I said I wasn't gonna get too deep into this, and now here I am getting freaking deep into it. I'm pretty, kind of cute. Okay. Let me see. I just don't know where to sit, y'all. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, let me get a chair. Oh God. Oh my God, I need a chair. Hey. I have literally slept on myself so hard. And like, I was really heavy into everything I love to do, super hardcore. And then it's like, I would be doing it, I'd be into it, I would love it so much. And personal things would happen to me and I would just fall into this pit of like sadness and like, I feel like I'm not worth it, so like it's not worth it to do anything. Like really deep, like dark holes, and that's scary. I have been blending for like 20 minutes. You're now using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 370. Boom, and that's on period. I really made the decision that I wanted to revamp my channel just because, girl, my smile lines are something serious. I can't talk and do makeup. How do y'all do this? Freaking makeup gurus are actually like amazing because they make it look so easy to do this. And I have absolutely no clue what is going on. I just know how I felt. I know how alone I felt. I know how sad I have felt. And just like defeated. And pushed aside things that I've wanted to do because I felt like people were gonna judge it. And I was so scared of that. And dealt with toxicity, just impulsive decision that really put me in a place where I had no choice but to really gain some perspective as to what the heck kind of dark hole I was literally spiraling myself down into. That's some real stuff, okay? I want to be able to use my voice and this platform, which I think is amazing. Just being able to be open and vulnerable with y'all and talk to y'all straight up about mental health and things like that that I've experienced and that I'm passionate about is a beautiful thing. Girl, what is going on? How are we supposed to come out? Hello? Oh. I really don't know what I'm doing. Apply all over face after applying foundation and concealer. All over my face. I put it all over my face. Alright. Whatever you say. Alright. Am I doing it right? If I want to be like a baddie, I'm doing what the baddies do. But I am a baddie already. Period. Now, I didn't buy a contour shade, but I got a cute little drugstore one in my bag somewhere, and that's just what's going to get used today. Because, girl, makeup is expensive. But maybe it's Maybelline. Ooh. You are beautiful, no matter what they say. Oh God, I was just... Wow, I'm blind. Wow, I'm white. Oh my God, what is happening? Why am I white? Translucent powder that I bought is a glow powder though. It's literally, I look like a ghost. I look like a ghost. Oh my God. Girl, this is very much ghetto. Everything about this video is ghetto. I just don't know how I feel about it. And I don't wear like makeup a lot, so like I don't know what right looks like on my face. I really don't. Oh my God. I feel like I'm overreacting now. I feel like it doesn't look bad. You know that my concealer shade is not this light, right? Look at this and look at this. Look. Do you know what I was doing to myself? I was literally making myself look atrocious, look crazy, look like a ghost, look like a wild person. Oh, what is makeup? I don't know. It confuses me. I don't know how to use it. I am confused. Oh, I should have bought setting spray. Oh, do I have any more? I don't think so. Honestly, this video is confusing and... Yes! I told you I was playing with it! Because I don't know what I'm doing! Why is she yelling at me? Okay. We're gonna try this again and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final result because this is like really dysfunctional. I'm stressed. This is dysfunctional and I don't know what I'm doing. And I thought it was gonna be fun, but like this really stressed me out a lot. I am not a booty guru. I am a booty guru girl. It's okay back there, okay? Period. Not any shorts, but okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna get to it because I'm trying to be pretty. Okay, update on life. I have literally tried to put that foundation on like 3 times. One of my friends called me and I was like, how does it look? And they told me I looked casket ready. So I took it off. I'm gonna try this again. Try it again. And this is the last time that I'm trying it. And then I'm gonna come back because y'all didn't get to see the casket ready because that was embarrassing. One more time. And I'm gonna show you what I look like. Okay. Like finding a new nail tech is stressful. It's like finding a new freaking barber, like as a guy.
I'm
like,
so weak. It really is.
Oh, like, cause I went to one in Tuscaloosa, and when I say they made my nails, like I showed them a picture of what I wanted, and usually I can do that with my nail tech, and she can get it right. I went to this nail tech and showed him a picture, and girl, I'm gonna have to find a picture of what my nails look like, cause it was really bad. Like, they looked atrocious. You know, like you don't want to hurt nobody's feelings, so I was just like, yeah, like it looks so great.
I'm so weak.
I was like, wow, like I really love it, and I was so pissed that I really paid like $40 for that. I was like, bro, like I'm upset. It wasn't even coffin shape. I don't even know what they were. They weren't even square. They were like they were like cubes.
I would be like, cubes. So you got your powder on?
I forgot. Okay, yes, but I literally treaded so lightly because that's what it is. It's a powder.
No, ma'am.
Cause I really was like, oh my god, do I really look like I'm dead? Like, like, bruh. Like,
I'm weak because you really said you like you was dead. It was hilarious.
And he was dead serious. Like, he was not playing. You can answer. Okay, I tried it again. I don't look dead anymore.
Your face is you.
So we're gonna ignore my hair because I went outside to take pictures and it decided to get puffy. But she's cute and we love her. I don't know, but I like it. I think I like it. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Y'all are probably like, what is this? And why did you even put that? Look at, oh my god. You guys have made it to the end of this video, which I don't even know if you have or not, but like hopefully you have. Like, if you haven't, it's fine, but like if you did, I really do like appreciate you and I love you a lot because this was dysfunctional. And it's fine. I really wanted to do this because I don't know. Like, comment and subscribe. Really short and you couldn't see my fingers. Like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully you guys will be back for the next one. I love you all so much. Stay safe, happy quarantine, and Black Lives Matter. Love y'all, bye.